worry here. As political temperatures soar, so do COVID infections. Both the state's positivity rate and fatality rate is higher than the national average right now. Mamata Banerjee has now written to the Election Commission demanding that the polls for the next 4 phases be conducted together in one go. Doesn't seem like it's been welcomed. Let's take a listen.
Polls, politics and pandemic. Mass gatherings and mass flouting of norms. In West Bengal, polls and pandemic are side by side. As campaign fever rises, so does the rise in cases. Massive public rallies are being held by parties in complete disregard of the pandemic raging across the city. Bengal may soon become a COVID hotbed, experts fear.
It is bound to happen, and it has happened. So, couple of days actually. Yes, of course, these surge actually started for last 10 days to 2 weeks, but for last 7 days we see that there is a huge rush.
The state's fatality rate of 1.7% is currently higher than the national average. It is at par with worst hit Maharashtra. Even scarier, Bengal's positivity rate stands at 6.5%, which is above national average of 5.2%. With multi-phased polls and extended campaign, Bengal is already reporting cases far higher than all its neighboring states. Figures of the last 7 days show Bengal has reported 3,040 cases every day as compared to 2,122 cases in Bihar and 1,734 in Jharkhand. During the same period, Odisha saw 981 and Assam 234.
So what we are looking forward to is total and abject government failure, because neither the central government has taken cognizance of what is happening. The beds in the various hospitals have already been filled up. New patients are not getting opportunities to get admitted, and critical patients are being denied basic what you call services.
Netas claim that they follow norms during rallies, but the ground reality is far from the truth.
पूरा इलेक्शन कमीशन का जो निर्देश हमने पालन किया, स्टेज में आप देखा सबने मास्क पहना हुआ था, मोदी जी भी मास्क पहने हुए थे और डिस्टेंस रख के बैठा। सामने भी आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग मास्क पहने हुए थे, कुछ लोग मास्क नहीं पहना, उनको मास्क हम दिया गया।
The Bengal polls still have a long way to go before the last ballot is cast. 4 more phases remain, which means more campaigning and more flouting of COVID rules. With Indrajit Kundu and Paulami Saha in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.